guys, what's up? It's your girl Renee Barnett, and I am back with another YouTube video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I got this braided hairstyle. If you have not already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification button so that you know when I upload a video. Let's get into it. So I'm going to be using the Style Factor Edge Booster. It also says that it's extra strength, moisture rich pomade for thick and coarse hair, which I have. So this is the actual jar that it came in. This is how it looks on the inside. Okay, so I'm just gonna start by parting the side of my hair. For this style, I'm gonna start my part right about here, like on the outside of my pupil. And we're just gonna take this part all the way around. And you want to get your part as straight as possible. Well, I have a lot of gray hair in there. Can you guys see that? So I'm just going to section this part off so that it doesn't get in the way. I want to make sure that it doesn't move while I section the rest of my hair off. Guys, so now that I have two sections of my hair already parted off, I'm gonna go ahead and braid the first side of my head. It seems to be holding, so we'll see actually if it holds through the entire braiding process. All right, so before I begin my braid, I'm just going to use a little bit of my Shea coconut oil olive oil mix. So the hair that I'm going to be using to feed into my braid is the Rasta hair that I picked up from the local beauty supply store. I used this hair before when I had someone else do my braid, so we will see if it works. So this is what the hair looks like, and I'm just going to take a little bit and try and feed it into my braid. This could turn into a disaster, so we'll see what happens. I don't know if this is working. This is completely new for me, so hopefully it works. Seems to be going pretty good. It looks like it's being fed in, and maybe it's off a little bit, but we'll keep going and see what happens. This is actually where I started to feed the braid in. I think you can probably see that a little bit, but it looks like it works, so I'm gonna keep going. This hair does get really tangled, so maybe next time I'll try a different type of hair. Okay, so now again, I'm gonna take my hair and just feed it in. So here's my hair.
Yeah guys, this is kind of difficult.
It would totally be easier to let someone else do this, but I'm gonna do it. Honestly, I don't think it looks that bad. I think it looks fine. I was able to feed in the hair. You can see it a little bit. And then of course my hair it really needs to be trimmed. I think that's gonna be another video, me trimming my own hair. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I've actually only been braiding my hair since the beginning of the year. It was a little bit challenging trying to feed in the hair. I maybe need to get a new type of hair or just keep practicing because it was a little challenging. Guys, the Style Control Edge Booster, I will have to see how it looks on tomorrow to see if there are any flakes. I definitely feel like it laid my hair down. I'm feeling this look. I like it. I like it. It's cute. Also guys, if you'd be interested in seeing a video on how I actually braid my hair, a step-by-step tutorial, go ahead and drop a comment below and let me know. Thank you again for watching my YouTube videos, guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.